in verse 44 and 45.
Abdul Rahman, you have taught everybody the way to ask us.
So this is verse number 44 and 45 from Surah Al-Hijr. It says, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, wa inna jahannama la maw'iduhum ajma'in, laha sabatu abwabin likulli babin minhum juzum maqsoom. And surely hell is the promised place for them all. It has 7 gates, and each gate has a portion of them allotted to it.
كان سؤال عن تفسير الآيات 44 و 45 من سورة الحجر.
No, but the question didn't come.
What is?
You just referred to the verse, and we are still awaiting the question.
What are the 7 doors?
That's right. Yes. 7 doors are number 1, 5 human senses. Number 1. Number 2, number 6, mind, and number 7, heart. Mind is not among the 5 senses, but it is the recipient of the messages delivered by the 5 senses. Heart is not among the 5 senses, but heart is the recipient of emotional messages and pulses which are received by the senses and transmitted to the heart. So these are the 7 gates to hell or heaven. Right?